Hey guys, let's see how to have your Cinnado camera working with the Echo Show. As you can see, my camera is already here. I have the Echo Show ready to go and my cell phone with the Wansview app. Okay, the Wansview app is the app that you use with the Cinnado camera. It doesn't have Cinnado name on the app. Okay, let me just show you here on the App Store. If you don't have this app, if you happen to have just the Cinnado camera, you just need to come here. It works for Android and also for iPhone. And look for Wansview Cloud. That's the app. You see here? I already have installed. Okay, so I just will open it up and I'm good to go. The first time that you install the app, you just need to create an account and then you need to log in. And after this, you're gonna see this screen, all right? And then you're just gonna add a device. And here it found the camera via Bluetooth, but let's say it doesn't find the camera or something like this. You just need to come here to indoor camera and look for Cinnado. You see here that I have a Cinnado indoor security camera. So that's the one here, Cinnado D1. Just select here and I'm gonna look for the camera via QR code. So I just choose this option. Let me just make sure that I follow the instructions here. I need to check if the LED is flashing red and blue. So I just come here and I see that flashing red and blue. So I'm good to go. Just come here and choose the option. Make sure that the indicator is flashing if you hear a tone. So I have the indicator flashing. Just tap here and tap on next. Now it's time to select the Wi-Fi that I'm going to use. In this case, my Wi-Fi -24. This is the 2.4 gigahertz network, okay? The camera doesn't work with 5 gigahertz network, as you can see here on this note. So just make sure that you select the correct one. Or if you have a router with just one signal, that's the one that you need to connect to, and the router is going to select the correct band for your camera. So it just hit next.
Point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
Okay, so I just need to point the camera to the QR code. Try to find the correct distance here. Just move the camera far and close to the phone.
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Okay, so I got the correct distance here. And it could...
Registering on the server.
Okay, so registering to the server. I just need to wait for it to finish and give the camera a name. Just choose an easy name here. I'm gonna choose Office so I can later talk to Alexa and use this as the name.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, she's trying to respond here. So the camera is working, as you can see. Let me just move this box aside, put the camera here, so see that's working. There we go. See the LED back here is blue, which means steady blue, which means it's working fine. And then here I can go live and see the camera working. Just mute Alexa here and my phone as well because I'm getting audio return. There we go. So basically working live. And now it's time to set up Alexa, okay? So we just come here to the app. And here I just need to come to skills and games and look for the app here. Okay, again, the skill here is also Wansview. You see here. I select this one and then enable to use. Now it's time to link the account, basically linking to my Wansview Cloud account. It's the same that I created back there for my cell phone, right? For the app here itself. So I just insert the information here. There we go. I have the email and the password. I just hit sign in. And the account is linked. You see here that's linked. Then I just hit next. And Alexa found the camera. and I'm good to go. See, the camera is connected. Just hit next. Select a location. Let me choose here office. Add to the group. And you see here's the name, office added to office. Basically the camera's name, its office, was added to the group office. They have the same name just because I chose to, right? Hit done here and then again. And now I'm supposed to have the camera working here with Alexa, right? And then I come here to the Echo Show and I try Alexa, show office camera.
Okay.
There we go. You see, waiting for Wansview, and we have it working. There we go. Working. Just move something here. There's a little bit of delay, but it works. Okay, so super simple. Basically, that's the way you can have your Cinnado D1 camera working with the Echo Show. Super simple. Remember, you just need to do the step-by-step, right? First, just download the app, create your account, add the camera to the Wansview app first, and later you can add a skill here on the Alexa app. And this skill, you just need to select the Wansview app as well, Wansview skill as well, sorry. And then you're good to go. It's going to work here with Echo Show and also with your Fire Stick TV. If you have a Fire Stick TV, for example, you just need to go there and also ask the Fire Stick to show the camera. As long as you have an easy name like I have here, Office, it's going to work fine, right? Because it's easy to call a name that Alexa can understand. So leave your comments here if that works for you. If you have some questions, please let me know. Subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.